What were the guidelines given to you? Like, what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie, ना? ये तो कुछ हटके है. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from...
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing. Sir.
My time of
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The process of learning never stops.
yeah, exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this will like we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that, the fishermen, I thought, oh, and I'm also a beach lover because I'm based out of Chennai. And I grew up always, going and sitting alone on the beach, listening to Ilayaraja sir's music, listening to Michael Jackson's music. So, yeah, I think you should give a huge round of applause to Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson.
Alone anedi tappu.
Alone at different times, uncle. So, yeah. So, like, I don't know, the sound of water always inspires me. And I could hear the sound of an ocean all through the narration when they were saying it. So, that's why in all the lyrics, I would have somehow brought in a reference of the saltness of the water. Or
You were going to sing a song last time. Now you must be ready by now. By now you would be ready.
Oh my God.
Give us a few
No,
lines.
this is like I'm sitting in front of a school teacher. It's like, hey, don't escape your homework.
No, we are the audience. You cannot escape the audience.
Sure, sir. So that's how it started, and I loved what they narrated, sir. And then we right away, like we actually dived into the ocean of his narration. Yeah. And then we came out with this, and they made it so beautifully, sir. Every emotion was like beautiful in the movie. So I should thank them for making this amazing script, and of course.
See, this is what they want. Amir sir ने सही करवा दिया यहाँ. Sir, this is just a bahana, sir. Every time you take.
Sir, you sing and Arvind Garu will dance.
Thank you, Amir sir, for that.
Beat.
Okay, beat. You do that. Chesa, I'll quickly come to you. One last thing, because this is one movie that is going to appeal to anyone and everyone across the country. And वो pan India नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, लेकिन ये वही वाली feel है कि everybody, and we've seen your work, yeah, in this part of the country also. We've seen your work, we've loved your work. But here, like this huge film, to be blockbuster, let's say that. Tandel, what do you have to say? यहाँ पे अभी.
Well, I think the subject itself is so universal by itself. The story behind what really excited me also as an actor, behind the whole Srikakulam village to Gujarat to Pakistan, behind that is a beautiful love story that Chandu Mondeti has written. And it is that pure love that each one has for each other that kept my character Raju so brave in jail and kept him going through those 2 years and come back in one piece. So that is something that I really found exciting as well. And also he takes you through a journey of love. Love also has a lot of pain in it. So those are some of the moments that he's dealt with really well. How this story of love goes through positivity, pain, and how they come out stronger from it. Right. So yeah, that's another angle to it which I really was inspired from.
And of course, the intensity of the character that we saw on the big screen. Of course, romance है, but other than that, you're there. उनकी जेल में बैठे और वहाँ पे जो dialogue बाजी चल रही है, उस समय that angst. Talk to us about it, sir.
Chandru Jabta.
Chandu sir. Oh, he'll talk. Yeah.
So that angle, I don't know how much to talk about because it's still, we've kept it limited
No
to in
worries,
the
sir.
trailer because
No
the whole
worries.
patriotism angle.
Also, I
of it.
think it's much more fun to experience the performance, on screen. So we'll do that on 7th.
Done? Done? Abhi, so we are all set? वो लोग हाँ उधर से हाँ. And we also okay. We've also got the songs, so we'll be playing those songs on the big screen for you guys. But before that, live तो बनता है यहाँ पे, है कि नहीं? हाँ?
Allu Arjun uncle has to dance na. ఇందులో చే Mani, where are you, Mani? I'm struggling here and you're not even bothered about me.
Mani.
He could have taken the lyrics and given me by now.
Yeah, do from this film.
Wow, amazing, sir.
ये नहीं देखने को मिलेगा मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें of course we get to see and witness and enjoy, but this is something हटके of course. Okay, so one more time, ladies and gentlemen, we'll be playing those videos. We've got the assets here, and Arvind sir, one more time. If you were to talk about the filmy scene right now, of course, we are talking about 100 crores, we are talking about 1,000 crores, but at the same time, kahin na kahin we are like, अच्छा, ये छोटी picture है, ये कैसी चलेगी, नहीं चलेगी. What is the scenario like as per you? Because you've been there, done that, sir. थोड़ा बताइए. About films, of course, the scene. I'm saying filmy scene right now, sir. Yeah, exactly.
I'm still searching the reasons.
Amir sir, for
I
you.
think a good story always works. Across genres, it could be action, it could be drama, it could be romantic. If your story is good, it always works. It always starts from the story.
Right.
And which director can do that and which hero suits that? These three should fall in line. Then it's a hit.
So it's a collective thing, of course, Starcast wala, sir, Amir sir, because of course.
Starcast should be as per the story. Story decides everything. That's what I feel.
Right. Stars की बात करें, talking about your look, urban, cool, andaz, we've seen you in that. Here it's that rugged look, दाढ़ी के साथ, वो एक अलग dialect, उसके ऊपर कितनी preparation गई, कितनी मेहनत गई.
See, the look was pretty, growing my hair, beard and all. I think the most challenging part about the transformation was the dialect, the Srikakulam dialect. It's very unique in sound. It's very far off from the Telugu we speak in the city. So, getting that right was the biggest challenge for me.
Right. Sir, एक challenge जो सबसे ज़्यादा for the director, what was the most challenging thing, I would say?
So most of the part in the ocean, what we shot,
Right.
okay, 95% is the original location. So my hero said, I don't want to do in the blue mat or green mat because I don't get that feel. So most of the part we shot in the scene.
Okay.
Yeah.
देखो यही होता है, ऐसी चीजें निकल के आ जाती हैं. Sir?
30 to 35